Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a plain table and thinking in terms of proxies. Create the table that will hold data and methods, then call setMetatable on it. Use a metatable with index pointing to a shared methods table so you avoid per instance copies. Once done, you have inheritance-like behavior and cheap method lookup. Make sure to avoid trying to set metatables on built-in user data. Instead, wrap them in tables before adding metatable behavior. You now implement the core behaviors. Set index to a methods table and implement newIndex when you need validation or read-only fields. For operator-like behavior, define metamethods such as add or toString inside the metatable you attach to the wrapper table. Once defined, operations against the wrapper will invoke your functions. Make sure to forward calls to any wrapped user data internally, translating arguments and returning either. You finish by returning instances created with setMetatable and a clean constructor that hides implementation details. Once done, profile for hot paths. Excessive meta-method calls can hurt performance, so cache results when possible. If something breaks, print the metatable and verify that you didn't attempt to set metatables on protected user data. Make sure to test operator behaviors and nil handling. One key troubleshooting tip: if metamethods don't run, confirm you attach them to the wrapper table's metatable, not to built-in user data, which
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.